So you can go on eBay right now and pick up this coin right here for $3, but did you know that this coin recently sold for $336,000? What's the difference? Why did one coin sell for $3 and another coin sell for $336,000? That's because even though this coin looks beat up and in lower graded condition, this coin is a 1943 cent accidentally struck on a bronze planchet graded by PCGS and AU50. That's almost uncirculated. That's a lower grade than typical on my channel. So the first thing you should do if you have a 1943 penny and you think you have this really rare air, the first thing you want to do is get a magnet and see if your coin sticks to a magnet. If your 1943 bronze planchet coin sticks to a magnet, that means it's a fake coin that was plated in copper to appear to be a 1943 genuine bronze planchet coin. Really quick, this is considered to be a transitional error. During the war efforts, they needed bronze for ammunition, so they stopped minting these coins on bronze and they use that bronze instead for ammunition. Also, the weight of the coin is super important, so make sure that you can weigh your coin to make sure it weighs the proper amount, because when people are making fake coins, it's hard to get the proper weight of the coin down exactly. But the chances of you finding this coin is pretty slim. But the reality is this coin is an AU50. That means that back in the day, this coin was out there circulating and no one knew what it really was worth until someone noticed that, hey, this coin should actually be struck on a zinc-coated steel planchet and not a bronze planchet, so they took it out of circulation into their collection, and recently, again, it sold for $336,000. If you have a coin like this or any rare coin, I have a completely free ebook that goes over coin grading, handling, and values. All you gotta do is click the link below, but you don't have to do that. Just keep doing your homework and research, and I'll see you guys in the next video.